In this podcast episode, Chris Camillo, a seasoned investor and entrepreneur, shares his insights on the current state of the market, the transformative power of artificial intelligence, and the impending wealth transfer that could reshape the financial landscape. Camillo begins by asserting that the market is rigged in favor of individual investors who can observe changes in the world that institutional investors often overlook. He emphasizes that the recent surge in market value, particularly since the election, has created unprecedented opportunities for those willing to act on their insights. Camillo believes that it's not about being exceptionally smart. Rather, it's about being smart in a different way than others. He encourages listeners to start investing immediately, highlighting the importance of being part of the investor class. He elaborates on how the market has gained nearly $3 trillion in value, suggesting that significant changes happening quickly present the biggest opportunities for investors. Camillo emphasizes that these changes are rare, and when they occur, they can lead to life-altering financial gains. He passionately believes that the embodiment of artificial intelligence will radically transform our world and economy, making it essential for individuals to recognize and seize these opportunities. Camillo passionately discusses the transformative potential of artificial intelligence, AI, and its implications for the future. He believes that AI will fundamentally change how we live and work, providing access to infinite physical labor. This shift could lead to the creation of new industries and opportunities that we cannot yet fully comprehend. Camillo envisions a future where AI-driven robots will take on tasks that humans currently perform, allowing people to focus on more meaningful and creative endeavors. He encourages listeners to consider the possibilities that come with having access to infinite labor. What would we build? How would our lives change? Camillo argues that the advent of AI and robotics will not only enhance productivity, but also improve the quality of life for many, particularly the elderly and those in need of assistance. He believes that this technological revolution is not just a trend, but a fundamental shift that will reshape our economy and society. The conversation shifts to the new generation of investors, particularly those who have emerged since the pandemic. Camillo notes that many young investors are drawn to speculative trades, often influenced by social media trends and hype surrounding cryptocurrencies and meme stocks. He points out that while this excitement can lead to quick gains, it often results in significant losses for those who buy at the peak and sell at a loss. Camillo emphasizes the importance of education and experience in investing. He acknowledges that many young investors will go through a learning curve, making critical mistakes along the way. However, he believes that these experiences are essential for growth and understanding the market. He encourages new investors to focus on long-term strategies and to learn from their mistakes rather than chasing fast money. When asked about his own portfolio, Camillo describes it as wild and not typical for him. He explains that he has a high-risk tolerance and is currently heavily invested in sectors he believes will benefit from the AI revolution. Camillo emphasizes the importance of being smart about investments and understanding the risks involved. He believes that a well-diversified portfolio with a focus on high-growth sectors can lead to significant returns over time. He also discusses the concept of risk capital, urging listeners to allocate a portion of their wealth to high-risk investments. Camillo believes that having a dedicated risk capital bucket allows investors to take calculated risks without jeopardizing their financial stability. He encourages individuals to start small and gradually increase their exposure to riskier assets as they gain confidence and experience in the market. Camillo introduces the concept of social arbitrage, which he describes as detecting changes in consumer behavior and connecting those changes to investment opportunities. He explains that by paying attention to social trends and conversations, investors can identify emerging companies and industries before they become mainstream. This approach allows investors to capitalize on shifts in consumer preferences and market dynamics. He shares anecdotes from his own experiences, illustrating how he has successfully identified trends through social media and community engagement. Camillo emphasizes that the key to successful investing lies in being proactive and staying informed about cultural shifts. By leveraging social data and understanding consumer behavior, investors can gain a competitive edge in the market. As the conversation progresses, Camilo delves into the future of work and the role of robots in our society. He believes that humanoid robots will soon be capable of performing physical labor at a level comparable to humans. This advancement will not only address labor shortages, but also improve efficiency and productivity across various industries. Camilo envisions a future where robots take on mundane tasks, allowing humans to focus on more creative and fulfilling work. He discusses the implications of this shift, highlighting the potential for increased economic growth and improved quality of life. Camilo argues that the integration of robots into the workforce will create new opportunities in industries, ultimately benefiting society as a whole. He encourages listeners to embrace this change and consider the possibilities that come with it. Camilo expresses his concerns about the societal implications of AI and robotics. While he is optimistic about the potential benefits, he acknowledges that there are valid fears surrounding job displacement and the ethical considerations of using robots in various settings. He emphasizes the importance of ensuring that the deployment of AI and robots is done responsibly and ethically, with a focus on enhancing human life rather than replacing it. He also discusses the potential for AI to improve healthcare, education, and other critical sectors. Camilo believes that by harnessing the power of AI, we can create a more equitable and efficient society. However, he stresses the need for careful consideration of the ethical implications and the importance of maintaining a human-centered approach in the development and implementation of these technologies. The discussion shifts to Bitcoin and its role in the impending wealth transfer. Camilo highlights that the younger generation is increasingly embracing cryptocurrencies, viewing them as a viable investment option. He believes that as wealth is transferred from older generations to younger ones, a significant portion will be allocated to Bitcoin and other digital assets. Camilo emphasizes that the belief in Bitcoin among younger investors is a crucial factor in its potential growth. He acknowledges the volatility and risks associated with cryptocurrencies, but argues that the long-term outlook remains positive. As more young people gain wealth, the demand for Bitcoin is likely to increase, further solidifying its position in the financial landscape. Throughout the podcast, Camilo shares insights into how he balances his work and family life. He emphasizes the importance of being present for his children and making time for family activities. Camilo believes that maintaining a healthy work-life balance is essential for personal happiness and fulfillment. He encourages listeners to prioritize their relationships and invest time in their families, even amidst the demands of work and investing. He also discusses the challenges of parenting in a rapidly changing world. Camilo reflects on the importance of teaching his children about financial literacy and the value of hard work. He believes that instilling these values early on will help them navigate the complexities of the modern economy and make informed decisions about their financial futures. When asked about the secret to a happy marriage, Camilo shares his perspective on the importance of self-awareness and personal growth. He believes that individuals must work on themselves to foster a healthy relationship. By focusing on personal happiness and fulfillment, partners can create a supportive and nurturing environment for each other. Camilo emphasizes the need for open communication and understanding in a marriage. He acknowledges that every relationship requires effort and commitment, and he encourages couples to prioritize their connection. By fostering a strong partnership built on mutual respect and support, couples can navigate the challenges of life together and build a lasting bond. As the podcast concludes, Camilo reflects on the future of investing and the opportunities that lie ahead. He believes that the rapid advancements in technology, particularly in AI and robotics, will create new avenues for growth and innovation. Camilo encourages listeners to stay informed and be proactive in their investment strategies, emphasizing the importance of adapting to changing market dynamics. He reiterates the significance of risk capital and the need for individuals to embrace the potential of high-risk investments. By cultivating a mindset of curiosity and exploration, investors can uncover hidden opportunities and position themselves for success in the evolving financial landscape.